So power coming from your power supply module over to your backup power supply module, we need to see 24 volts at this point right here at these two leads. There's informal coating that's on this, which you're gonna have to dig your probe in there. It can be a really big pain in the ass to get this in there. But once you get it in, you'll see 24 volts are right at 24 volts. So up to this point so far, we're good. Our power supply module is good, and up to this point on our backup power supply module, we're good. The next point we're gonna test is these pins on this back side here. This is gonna be tough to do when it's inside the box. I'm not sure it's gonna be, with the way that our hands and stuff like that, it's gonna be tough to get in here, but just so you know, we need to read 5 volts right here. If you look at the voltmeter, we got 5 volts. Can you see that? 5 volts. All right, so our backup power supply module is good. Next thing we're gonna test is our terminal block. So where the 4-wire would go in, where it would be red, black, that's power. So we're looking for volts once again. So since we're powered with hard power coming in from the fans, we're testing for 24 volts here. As you can see, 24 volts. Same thing where you put a battery at, test this, 24 volts. So our terminal block is good. If we were powered by a battery though, we'd be looking for 12 volts, not 24. So as of now, we know that our power supply module is good, our backup power supply module is good, and our terminal block is good. Next thing we're gonna test is our B board. If you notice these 2 contacts right here on the B board, where it says GND plus 5 volts, that means you're gonna be reading 5 volts from this point. So again, if it has coating on it, you're gonna have to jam your probes in there. But if you notice, 5 volts. So as of now, that's how you test all these components.